Hello guys, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. I request you to please subscribe to this channel to get daily job updates. Apart from the daily jobs and all, today I got a new job notification for you. Not this job notification. I mean to say that like you can earn as much you can. Today I got a new app for you. I have provided the link in the description. Just click on that link so that you will be redirected to the Play Store or the Google. Just sign up and it may ask some details also. Just fill them and I'll let you know the complete details. And before we get into the video, I request you to please subscribe and also please keep in your mind that it is a genuine app. I'm the person who have tried earlier when I'm student. I'm using this app from past 4 years, so it helped me a lot. So I'm sure that it will help you a lot. Being a student, you need some money, right? So generally, we may not ask for every single rupee. We may hesitate to ask our parents also, right? I hope this video is for them, for the students and guys, and even the housewives and all. So it will help you a lot. I'm sure that please download this app in the I have provided the link in the description. Please download using my link so that it will comes under my account, and also you will get some 10% off in this. So I request you to please check out the link in the description so that you will be able to get. So I'm just revealing the secret here. So let's, without wasting any more time, just get into the video. So this app is an Upstock app. So this is my present account. So here you can see that the account, the amount whatever I have got is like 14,800 till date. So I was doing it from past 4 years. So I was doing it for in weekends only. So it has helped me a lot. It's a genuine app. See here you can see the details, the complete details from when I was using and all. So it is 2020, but earlier also they have created, they have given the some basic thing and all. Like they have deleted the earlier details and all. So from past 4 years, as I was doing in the weekends only, so I have got this amount. So I hope this video helps you a lot. So here you can see that some of the people have downloaded and done the done the process, and few of them haven't done the complete details and all, haven't updated, so it is showing as pending. Here you can see that some of other people also, like, see, you can observe why it is showing 1300, 600, 500, something like that. See, generally what happens is, in our account, this app will let us know, they will tell us to make more people, so that once the people download, they may invest in the stocks. But my suggestion is, don't invest in the stocks. It will need so much of knowledge. I suggest you to please download this app and just use this refer and earn option. Here you can see that refer and earn option. Let me show that also for you once again. So here you can see that this is my account, and just click on this. Here you can see the complete details, like, right now the offer is like 1200 for each and every successful referral. So just download this app and it will helps you a lot. Like, you can earn as much as you can. For this you need to click on the link in the description we have provided, and just sign up the complete details, like Aadhaar card and PAN card. And at first, when you give all your details, it will be redirected to the app, and you will get a verification call also. Like, at first you need to enter your Aadhaar card, PAN card and bank details and all. Sometimes right now, due to huge demand, it is asking like 293 rupees, sorry, 293 rupees right now. So I request you to please pay that. Please pay in the app itself. And my suggestion is, like, once you pay, once you complete that process, it will gives you a new referral link. So as I said earlier, I have got a unique link. Everyone will get a new unique link. So just go through that. It will be asking for that. So you need to refer your friends to this app. That's it. Nothing more than that. Whenever a person opens using your link, you will get almost like 1200. Right now the offer is like 1200. Sometimes it will be like 300, 400, like that. Due to Christmas and New Year, they are offering like 1200. So I request you to please go through that. So if you are sincerely like serious about this, just follow these steps. If not, just ignore this. Why? Because here you can see that some of the people haven't done the completed the complete process, so it it will not help them, and us also. So I request you to please upload the complete details. Just find the link in the description, just click on that and it will be redirected to the Play Store. Just install that app and enter your phone number, mobile number, and the complete details of you, and after that the account will be created. Within one day you will be receiving a verification call. Just say them that you are the person, and you will also receive some other OTPs and all. It is very helpful for you, and it will helps you a lot. I'm saying this like based on my previous experience. You can see here I am using this from so much of time, so it will helps you a lot. Just click the link in the description, it will be redirected, and just enter the all the details, and then create an account, and then you'll get a unique link. Then you need to share that unique link with your friend. Tell the same thing to them also, to upload all the details like Aadhaar, PAN card and bank details. After that it will be an account will be created to them, and you will find in your referral list. If they haven't completed it, it shows as pending. Similarly here you can see that. So now they have I have invited them, but they haven't registered. It's pending. Like they have registered, but it's in incomplete state. So that is why it is showing. So whenever you want, you can just remind them. I have just reminded them today morning itself. I have already reminded them. So it's saying that we need to remind once again. So just go through them. Here you can see that so many people has got. So if once the people open this account, you will be getting this link. Like here you can see the withdrawable. In withdrawable place you will get the amount. Then you need to click on withdrawal. Then you will get the complete details, like how much you want to withdraw. So every time I will withdraw the amount whatever I got. So then it will be credited to the bank account whatever you have given earlier. So just fill those things. Then within one day the referral amount will be credited to your account. Like generally what happens is like right now, due to huge demand, they are asking this 293 also, and that too earlier there were zero charges. Actually this demat account, this is a demat account, but the thing is like we don't want have to invest anything. Why? Because I only don't suggest to invest. Like if you have a very good knowledge, just go through that. If not, just ignore. So it will helps you a lot, and just sign up the complete process, and you'll be getting some referral amount. You can withdraw to your bank account. You just need your Aadhaar card, PAN card and bank details. Just just upload them, and you'll get some OTPs, and you'll get a verification call to your email ID and your phone number, so that just pick them and tell them that you are the person. Then the process will be completed. Then you'll get user ID and password, and just enter those details. Enter those details and create a new password. Then it will give you a new referral ID. If you go here, this is my account actually. So here you can see, here just click on this refer and earn option, and here you can see the right now. So if you want to share this app to anyone, just click on this WhatsApp or else SMS. So here you can check whatever the amount you have got earlier. So just go through them. Here you can see the complete details. So just find the link in the description, just click on that, and it will be redirected. It is a genuine process, no need to invest apart from 293. Earlier it was zero, but right now it is due to huge demand, they have kept these charges, like account opening charges. When compared to other stockbrokers, it is less actually. For other it will be like around 500 to 1000 they are charging. So it is helpful for you. Like I can suggest you one thing, like if you download this app and pay 293, once your friend creates an account, from one person only you will be getting around like 800 for each referral. Just it will help you, your 293 will be returned back. So I hope this will help you, this strategy. So it will be beneficial for you. If you have any doubts, just ping me. You can comment in the description, so that in the comment box, so that I will be helping you. Okay. So I hope this video helps you a lot. I'm the person, you can see the proof here. So just go through that and just comment in the comment box, so that I will help you. I hope this video helps you a lot. And please subscribe to our channel, Live Jobs Info. I'll be getting some more videos, as I have thought. During this Christmas season, students were wanted to get some money, right? So they can't ask every time their parents, right? So I hope I thought this video will helps them. So that's all from my end. I hope this video helps you. Yeah. I request you to please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com, and subscribe to our channel. And you can find the link in the description. Just click on that and it will be redirected, and just download the app and complete the sign up process, and just share your unique link to your friends, then tell them to create new account. Then it will be redirected, and your referral amount of 800, or sometimes they may keep like 1000 also. Here you can see the 1000 also. I have got from Siva Basha Sheikh. I got from him like 1000 rupees for his referral. So likewise you will get so many things. So it will helps you a lot. Just create them. I hope this video helps you a lot. So I request you to please go through that, and create a new account, and earn as much as you can. Yeah. And I can suggest you, create more friends in Facebook, and just keep status daily, and people will ask you what is this app. Then you can directly share your link also, and they can create an account, and then your 800 will get credited, 800 to 1000, something like that. And right now it is once you create an account, like after 800, for 400, creating, like it's 1200 right now. But if any person creates an account and they trade, above 100 rupees, even for 100 rupees also, you will get a remaining 400 also. Right now the referral amount here, you can see that it is 1200, and earn 1200 on every successful referral. Here you can see that. So right now here you can see that 800 I have invited him, and I have got this amount 800. So that's it. So I hope this video helps you a lot. That's all from my end. And please find the link in the description, and download using my link only, so that you will get 10% off. So that's all from my end. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.